winning team today. Join Crowd1 and make a living from international networking with members all around the world. Crowd1 gives you the unique opportunity to take part in any established online networking and marketing company with intentions of giving members juicy rewards from investments and commissions. Get started today and move from one investment level to another. Move from white level to gold and to titanium, and earn fantastic honors ride shares. Crowd1 offers you and your team members rewarding experience at any level. Remember, you will be compensated for everyone that joins the company after you within 14 days. Win, everyone wins. For more information, call Mr. T now. 0803 392 5704 and on WhatsApp 0802 4350 946. Join the moving train, Crowd1. The National Agency for the Prohibition of Traffic in Persons and Other Related Matters, NAPTIP, Benin Zonal Command has paraded 2 suspected persons in connection with trafficking 3 young girls from Nigeria to Mali. The command received an information from some members of the public and went into action to arrest the suspected persons. However, one of the suspects, Victoria Amos, said it was her sister that stays in Mali that asked her to look for 3 young girls for her, who she plans to get a job for in Mali. The Zonal Commander Ijoma Nduak made this known to journalists in Benin.
Reports that a trafficker was about to traffic 3 young girls from Benin here down to Lagos to their final destination, to Mali. Immediately, I had to call our rapid response squad here from Benin Zonal Command. We are replicating what our Director General, Julie Okadomli, is doing at our headquarters. So immediately, the rapid response team swept into action. Immediately, they were able to intercept 2 traffickers who had already assembled 3 young girls, trying to traffic them to Mali. So after everything, the suspects testified to that. We asked the victims. They said yes. They told them that they are going to give them work in Mali. So we are carrying out further investigation for possible prosecution.
She now told me that in sister I want to take some people to abroad. So did I have any person to bring? I say, well, I don't know. Now let me contact to my sisters whether anyone have the interest to go. So I now call one of the one that senior this one. That one said that he will give me feedback the second day. I called this my younger one because me this one they are from the same. The father senior my mother. I now called this one the Blessing. She now told me tomorrow she will get back to me. Or Sunday now when I was in the meeting, she now called me. I said okay, just come down to meeting. We will now go home together. He said okay. She came true. After we closed for the meeting, we now went to this woman's house. So, after we reached, I now explained to my younger sister that sister want to take them to abroad. He now told me, I now went to this woman. You say you want to take somebody to abroad. You cannot go there with empty hand. How much do you want to collect from you? She now told me that the woman said she want to collect 1.2 million.
What you are going to do. So I now asked my uncle that on Sunday, what is the nature of job over there that we are going to do? He said you don't know. I said, okay, you don't know. Well, I'm going to somewhere that you don't even know the place. You don't know the work that I'm going to be doing there. He said, no, you don't know that. I should not worry. That everywhere will be good. That will not suffer again. Because of my mother, my junior ones, that I should just go and help them. I said, okay, no problem. Since you said so. So I was like, okay. When I got home on that Sunday, so I not called him and I said, okay, I'm at home. He said, no problem. So on Monday, he was now calling me. And I told him that I'm coming, that I'm going to shop to go and hand over to my company. And I said, okay. And I told him that I'm coming, he should wait. He said, okay, no problem, that they are waiting for me. I'm not the remaining person, that everybody is waiting for me, that they are not.
As he see the guy come our hotel there for our house. Now he dey friend with my pikin. He say as the girl dey come from my pikin place. Now I call am say come, you fit travel. He come say yes. He say he no get father, he no get mother. Where he dey stay for Benin for here, the woman dey take am work, you know, dey pay am. If he take am do work finish, he no dey pay am. Na the girl dey there.
Okay.